Hello children, welcome to the class. Today we are going to study our fifth chapter, articles. What are articles? The words the, an or a are called articles. They come before nouns, name, place, animal, things. Articles are of two types, definite and indefinite. Definite article. A or an is called the indefinite article because it leaves indefinite the person or thing talked about. Indefinite article. Which one do I choose? That is, when should we use a or an? Use of a and an. The indefinite noun is used before a singular countable nouns. That is, when we are talking about one thing, we will use a or an. For example, an orange, a book, an apple, a cat, a snake. Use of a and an. An is used before a word beginning with a vowel sound. There are 5 vowels A, E, I, O, U. If any word is starting with a vowel sound, we will use a or an. That is, we will use an before it. For example, the word axe is starting with a or a vowel sound. So we will use an before it. We will not use a. An axe, an inkpot, an honest man, an orange, an hour. A used before a word beginning with consonant sound. A is used before a word beginning with a consonant sound like a word university, a European, a union, a unicorn, a useful. Here it is producing the U sound. The definite article. There is only one definite article, the. Definite article. The is called the definite article because it points out some particular person or thing. Use of definite article. When we mention something for the first time, we use a or an. The next time we repeat the object, we use the definite article the. I live in a house. The house is quite old and has 4 bedrooms. Here you can see that in the first, when we are talking about the house, first time, we are using a, but when we talk about the same house in the second sentence, we will use the. When the subject is unique. The sun rose at 6:17 this morning. The sun is unique in the same way the world, the sky, the president, the CEO, the moon. These are some of the unique things, so we will use the before them. With superlatives. This is the highest building in New York. Highest is in superlative form, so we will use the before it. With countries that have plural names, kingdoms or republics. I have never been to the Netherlands. Here the word Netherlands is the name of a plural, is in plural name, kingdom or republic. So we will use the before it. With rivers, seas, oceans, deserts, the Magdalena River, the Sahara Desert, the Pacific Ocean, the Black Sea. To describe where in a country or city, that is when we are talking about the directions like east, west, north, south, we will use the before it. Omission of article. When do I omit article? Omission of articles before most proper nouns. That is when there is a name of a person, name of continents, countries, cities, name of individual mountains, hills, individual islands, lakes. Before names of substances like platinum and sweet. This ring is made of platinum. Sweet is bad for your teeth. Before abstract nouns. Honesty is the best policy. Wisdom is the gift of God. Before plural countable nouns used in the general sense. Children, like toys, computers are used in many offices. Before names of meals. Have you had your lunch? Here the word lunch, it is a meal, so we will not use the before it. Before languages, we are learning English. We speak Telugu at school, at home. Here English and Telugu, these two are languages, so we will not use the before them. Before certain places when they are visited or used for their primary purpose. School, college, university, like there's a school is visited for learning, so here the purpose is specific, so we will not use the before it. Before name of relations like mother, father, uncle, auntie, cook, maid, nurse. Here is your first assignment. Fill in the blanks with a, an or the. I have come without an umbrella. This is how you have to fill. In the second exercise, you have to determine whether the is used correctly in the given sentences. You have to see whether the is used correctly or not, and then if it is not used correctly, you have to rewrite the sentence correctly. So this is what we have studied today. What are articles? Types of articles, indefinite article, use of a and an, definite article, use of the, omission of article, and a few assignments which you have to do. Hope children you enjoyed the class. Thank you.